making a chicken tandoori pizza. And what do we need for ingredients? We need a capsicum, we need some freshly cut onions, we need some olives, we need some dough, and we need some chicken tandoori, and we need some pizza sauce. So as I'm making a pizza, but I'm making a small pizza. Let's start making it. So first, we need some dry flour powder. Take all of your things up. Now take some of it and put it all around your dough. And then spread it when you have done it. Now, when you have just spread it, then you need your dough. Take it out carefully, but it's super sticky when you're taking it out. Now put it here. Take a rolling pin and press it with your hands first, but sometimes it sticks on your head. So I will take 6. So now what do we need to do is take more of this. So as I was saying, we better put it because it's too sticky right now. Let's take it and then put it like that, and then put it. You need to spread it very good so it can be a little soft. So your pizza can be much more crusty. So if you don't do it, it will be stuck on there. It gets a little messy when you do it. Okay, now let's press it to make it inside of it. All inside. Okay, now I have rolled my pizza dough and do it. So now the other part, to put your pizza sauce on it, like spread it. So you better need your spatula. Take it all out like this and spread it everywhere like this. Put it everywhere. It can be delicious. Now we have put it everywhere. So now what is our next place is to put our chicken. I'm gonna take this over, put it right here. Okay. Let's take this time our spoon this time. Spoon works great. Okay, then this. Okay. So I have all spread it. So now our second part is to take our capsicum and our onions and spread it. It's looking like super yummy. I mean, really yummy. Okay, let's take our capsicums first and spread it everywhere. Now I'm taking my onions and my capsicums together. You see my baking videos, and really, it turns out great too. But this one can turn out great. Okay, take all of them. Okay, I think that's much enough. There we go. Now we have put our onions and our capsicums. So now I will take my olives and put them in nice place. It's like looking like it's just good. I just want to eat it right now. It's looking too yummy. Take all of my olives. So now I have put all of my olives. Now we need to take my cheese. Now I need my scissors sharp. Don't use. You need an adult to open with this. Now I'll take it. Okay, like that. Take my pizza a little right over there, so it can be a little cool. So I'll take that later. As I was saying, I'm making a mini pizza. So, I mean, really, I didn't turn out with that thing, but it's good to do. So cold, so cold, so cold, so cold. And the best part is I earned my AC. So, it's looking super cool this time. mozzarella cheese done. So now I have my pizza here. Let's put it right over here now. And I'll take my mozzarella cheese with my hands and put it like this. Looking so yum. Like I will eat it right now, really. Spread it everywhere. Just a little bit left, but it's enough. So now it's all done. Now the other thing is to use oregano. So let's put oregano. Don't put the big side because that's for something else. Put the smaller side because that makes much more tastier. Let's put it. Let's take this and sprinkle it like you're doing sprinkling, so it can look yummy. Smell the aroma. Okay, now it's done. So now what we need to do is a bacon. So I have preheat the oven for 10 to 11 minutes. So when it's all preheated, I'll put the pizza inside. And if you can see, it's looking super yummy. Preheat, then we can put it and show you how it takes out. Oven is preheating. So now we are gonna put our pizza. So get some elder's because it's super hot. So it says don't touch it. So that's why. So I'm closing it up. We will see when it's gonna be baked. So now I cannot find my pizza cutter, so I'm using this. Okay. So if you are like my age, so like I'm 7, you can use this. So it's already off. So I'm gonna switch off from the back side. I need an adult again to take it out for me, please. Really? Look at the smell. Can you? Ta-da! Look at that pizza. Look at that girl. Look at that pizza. So much yummy. Look at that pizza. So much yummy. Let's cut it in. Okay, let's cut it in. So the first part is don't touch it. So if you need to touch it, you better wear these mittens. So it's not that much hot when you wear these things. Okay, cut them like this. It's yummy and thanks for watching and it's time for bye. Bye. Next time videos coming up soon. Bye.